Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic challenge, and here we have n square minus n cubed equals to 12, and here our claim is to find the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we move this 12 in the left hand side and we rewrite this equation as n square minus n cubed minus 12 equals to 0. Because this is the cubic equation, so here we need to find the factors of this equation. So our the highest power of this equation is 3, so it means that this cubic equation has 3 roots or 3 solutions. So now we find these 3 solutions, so that here first we rewrite this equation as n square minus n cubed minus we have 12 and we write it as minus 8 minus 4 equals to 0. So in the next step we make the pairs of cubic term and the square term. So here we have the square term is n square and we write this 4 as 2 square, so we make the pair of n square with minus 4, and you have minus 2 square, we write this 4 as 2 square. And after that here we take common minus sign from these two terms and we write n cubed plus here you have 8 and we write it as 2 cubed, and this whole equals to 0. And after this step here we need two nice well-known formulas. So the first formula is written in this form: a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. And the other cubic formula will be written as a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So here we need these two formulas on the above equation in order to find the values of n. So that now first we use this square identity on this term, so it will be written as in this form. So this implies that this is n square minus 2 square and it will be equals to n minus 2 times of n plus 2. So here we use this formula and this is minus sign, and now we use this cubic formula on this term and we get its output in this form. We have n plus 2 times of n square minus ab, so we have 2 times of n plus b square, so our b is 2 square, and this whole equals to 0. So now in the next step we just use here the nice little bit simplifications here. So now first we multiply this minus sign on both of the terms and you get n minus 2 times of n plus 2, and this will be equals to minus times of n plus 2 into, here we write this as n square minus 2n plus 4 equals to 0. And now you focus on both of the terms and you see that n plus 2 be the common term, so that here you take common n plus 2 and we get n minus, here because we take common n plus 2 and here you get n minus 2, and minus here you take common n plus 2 and you get here n square minus 2 times of n plus 4 equals to 0. And now here we need little bit simplifications. So now we add or subtract the like terms. So here you get n minus 2 and we multiply this minus sign on both of the terms or each of the term and you get minus n square plus 2 times of n minus 4 equals to 0. So that here we have two cases. The first case is we write n plus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we write this equation as here you have minus n square, and we add this n plus 2n, it is equals to plus 3n, and minus 2 minus 4 equals to minus 6, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we have these two cases. So in the first case we will easily get the value of n equals to minus 2. So this is the our first real root of the given cubic equation. So now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So now first we multiply this equation by minus 1, and you obtain its output in this form: n square minus 3n plus 6 equals to 0. So here we need to take the factors of this equation. So the other option is we use the quadratic formula. So now here I can choose the quadratic formula. So the coefficients of this equation are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to 6. And our quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: n equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac, and this whole over 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula. And now in the next step we need to put the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. So now we plug all these values in this formula, and we get its output in this form: n equals to minus b, and the value of b is minus 3, so it will be equals to minus times of minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, so b is minus 3 and minus 3 square is 9, and minus 4 times of ac, so here our a is 1 and c is 6. So when you put 1 times of 6, so you get 4 times of 6 is minus 24, and this whole over 2. And in the next step you will see here we need little bit simplifications here, and we obtain 3 plus minus 9 minus 24 equals to minus 15 square root over 2. So here you see that we have negative sign inside the square root, so we write it as 3 plus minus square root of 15 times of iota over 2. So these are the other two roots of the given cubic equation. So 3 plus minus square root of 15 times of iota over 2. So these are the two roots, and the third root is minus 2. So these are the all three roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.